My name's Colin. I'm a librarian here at Central Library, and we're here to mark World Mental Health Day. And to do that, we're interested in finding out what people's recommendations are for stock that we could acquire for our collection, and what books you would recommend to people, maybe who are going through a difficult time or who need their mood to be lifted in some way. And I've brought along a book that I particularly like, that I would certainly recommend to anyone who is interested in improving their health and well-being. It's 59 Seconds by Professor Richard Wiseman. It's a great book. It's full of stuff that science has shown is really effective in helping people out. It's divided into neat little short chapters that you can read in sort of just a few minutes, hence the title. And so you can dip into that no matter how busy you are and find things that are really interesting. It's full of great advice. My favourite one, I think, is the idea that an experience will make you happier than a new possession. So if you have a few £100s to spend, go for the holiday. Yeah, don't bother with the telly. It's just one more depressing thing that you'll eventually have to take to the charity shop. Okay, but the holiday will stay with you forever. So it's, new experiences better than possessions. And these are the kind of things that we would like people to recommend to us.